Chapter 4. Rocks and Ice. There are two rings around the Sun, called the asteroid belt and the Kuiper belt. The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. It's made of rocks called asteroids. The Kuiper belt is further away than Neptune. It's made of pieces of ice. Asteroids. Some rocks in the asteroid belt are the size of houses, but others are many kilometers across. When planets come near them, or other asteroids hit them, these rocks can leave the asteroid belt. Sometimes they travel toward the inner planets. Comets. Comets are huge pieces of ice and dust, and some of them are 50 kilometers across. Comets come from the Kuiper belt, or from further away in space, but sometimes their orbits bring them nearer Earth and the Sun. When comets come nearer the Sun, they become hotter, and they leave pieces of ice and dust behind them. This is called a comet's tail, and it can be millions of kilometers long.
Discover!
Halley's Comet is a famous comet. It comes near Earth every 75 or 76 years. We will see it again in 2061. Meteors and Meteorites. Meteors are pieces of rock, dust, or ice that enter a planet's atmosphere. They come from asteroids and comets. Most meteors burn when they enter the atmosphere, but sometimes pieces hit a planet's surface, and these pieces are called meteorites. More than 1,000 metric tons of ice, dust, and rocks from space land on Earth every year, but most of these pieces are very small. Sometimes big meteorites hit Earth and make a huge hole called a crater. Big meteorites don't hit planets very often, but they are very dangerous. In 1994, 21 pieces of a comet hit Jupiter. Some of the explosions were bigger than our planet Earth.
Discover!
In 1908, a meteorite exploded in the sky above the Tunguska River in Siberia in Russia. No one lived there, but a forest of 80 million trees was burned. About 65 million years ago, there were no people on Earth, and the animals were different too. Dinosaurs lived here. Then one day, a bright light appeared in the sky. It was a huge meteorite. Some of it burned in the atmosphere, but a piece hit Earth. It was about 20 kilometers long. The meteorite crater is in Chicxulub in the Yucatan in Mexico, and it's 180 kilometers across. When the meteorite hit Earth, there was a huge explosion. Scientists think that fires and acid destroyed most of the world's forests. Clouds of dust covered the sky, and light from the sun didn't reach Earth's surface. It became very cold for many years. At about the same time, the dinosaurs and 70% of all the plants and other animals on Earth died.